Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do another hair tutorial, which I haven't done in a minute, but my last one has gotten so popular, so I thought I'd do another one and show y'all a really popular way that I do my hair with a little bit of a twist. So this is kind of like the normal half up, half down, but I put a Dutch braid on top. You've probably seen this hairstyle a lot on Pinterest or maybe even YouTube or Instagram, but it is a very popular and easy way that I do my hairstyle if I want my hair out of my face, or if my hair is on second to third day hair and I don't have time washing it, but I want it to look done. So yeah, we will just waste no time, hop right into the video so y'all can learn how I did this hairstyle. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump straight in to the hair tutorial today. So this is literally like my go-to hairstyle. Honestly, if you know me, I am not a person to have my hair down all the time. I hate when it gets in my face and I just end up going like this or tugging it behind my ear or playing with it all day long. And so I'm the person that needs it to be pulled back and away from my face. So if you're like this, if you're like me and want a cute hairstyle that's not just a ponytail or a bun, or even the top knot that you see all the time, this kind of adds like a little twist to a really fun hairstyle. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. Alright, so I have a second day hair right now. I actually just flat ironed it, but you can, I mean, I've done this with my hair is curled. It does not matter. So all you need is just a little, oh, has leftover hair on it. It's lovely. It's just a little elastic like this, like one of the small ones I think is what works best. If you have like a big hair tie, this one is another good one, but if you have like a normal size hair tie, it's just, unless you have really thick hair, I just don't think it works that well. And it just kind of makes it bulky and hurts your head a little bit. So I just use one of the rubber ones, and you can get that at Walgreens or whatever, and I just make sure I have a couple of bobby pins on hand. Sometimes I don't even use them, but just in case it gets a little wonky, that's what they're there for. Alright, so my hair is ready. All I do is literally take two of my thumbs, only two thumbs, and start at the arch of my eyebrow and then just go straight back. So I just keep on making a line and go straight back to the crown of my head and just grab that section of hair. And then I just look in the mirror and just make sure that all my little flyaway pieces are down. I don't want those to technically, you know, be in the ponytail or anything. And so I just make sure everything is good and just grab that section of hair. Now, with my one hand, I'm grabbing on the section of hair, and then on the other hand, I'm gonna grab the rest and let go of the section of hair on top that we just grabbed. And I'm just gonna take the rest of my hair and put it back in a ponytail just to get it out of the way for this section of hair, so we don't like end up grabbing anything that we're not supposed to. Just makes it easier for me. Alright, so now we have a section of hair on the top of our head that is out of the ponytail, and we're going to start braiding this part of the hair. I really love this. I get so many compliments every single time I wear this hairstyle, just because it's something just a little bit different that people are like, oh my gosh, you don't just have like a half up, half down. There's like a little braid in there. So we're gonna do a Dutch braid. That's particularly my favorite way, just because it gives it a little bit more volume right here instead of a French braid. So I'll kind of walk you through that right now if you don't know how to braid. But okay, so just with my fingers, I'm going to take a tiny section at the very top of my head, and that is where we're going to start our braid. So I'll just take 3 sections of that hair, and we start braiding underneath. So we take the sections and go underneath the middle strand. Now once we've done both sections, I'm going to grab some more hair on the right side of my head and connect it, and then go underneath the middle strand. And then just keep doing that. Just keep grabbing hair and putting it underneath the middle strand. And just keep going. Pulling from the sides of the hair. All right. So then once I've gotten to the crown of my head, obviously you can see there is a braid now. Yes, so once I've gotten to the crown of my head, I'm going to hold it nice and tight at the end and just grab a rubber elastic and tie it off. I'm going to make sure this is nice and tight because we are going to kind of pull the braid out a little bit just to make it a little bit more fluffy and a little bit more voluminous. All right, and then secure it, and then I take the ponytail out of the bottom of my hair. All right, so as you can see, it's a really pretty, like, half up, half down situation we got going on. So now we're gonna kind of pull the braid out a little bit and just kind of see what you do what you see in like Instagram tutorials where they're kind of pulling out each section of the braid and just kind of make it nice and big on top. And then just keep tightening and just keep playing around with it until you have the desired volume on top. All right, and then once you have the braid pulled out, I'm just going to go around, so it's kind of like a mohawk looking thing, I like it. Go around, and you can take hairspray to get rid of flyaways if you have that. I'm just gonna go around and just bobby pin different places just to kind of hold it down a little bit more. So this is basically it, and it just kind of gets the hair out of your face. It's a really, really cool hairstyle and takes literally 5 seconds to do. So this hairstyle is really popular for me when I have dirty hair and I'm like, you know what, I don't have time to wash it. You just throw a little dry shampoo on the sides of your head and then just do this little braid in the middle. It just keeps the hair out of your face and keeps you from touching your hair all day. Like, I have a problem with that big time. So it's really cool. So you can keep it like this, or which is what I usually do, or you can take the ponytail and kind of twist it around your head. If you like the whole top knot, you know, situation, it kind of gives you a little of a twist to just the regular top knot on your head, half up, half down top knot. But yeah, super simple. And I hope y'all understood the whole braiding thing. Honestly, if you don't know how to Dutch braid, you might want to go watch a separate tutorial on that and then come back and rewatch this tutorial. But honestly, it's really, really easy, and I think it's so pretty on all ages. And it just gives you like a little twist of something that is a normal hairstyle. So anyways, that's like the fastest video I've ever made. I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and again, if you try it out, let me know. I'd love to see it. I love giving my little hair tips, so let me know if you try it out. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all next week.